Hello YouTube, and today, by popular demand, I am going to be teaching you how to create spazzing sheep animations using processing JavaScript. Abusing, rather, processing JavaScript. But let's do it anyways. So let's start by creating a void setup and a void draw. And we're going to chuck in our size at 400 by 400, which is my favorite. And we're going to add a frame rate of 15 just so that the spazzing of the sheep animation is kept to a moderate rate of 15 random spazzes per second. So let's create two floats within the draw function. So these floats are going to be given new values every single time this void draw is run, which will be 15 times per second. We're going to set this to random between 50 and 350. So this is the sheep's x coordinate, and we're also going to set the y coordinate to be exactly the same. Why is this giving me an error? Oh, it's fine. So let's set the background to, let's make a black background just so that we can really see the sheep. And now I'm going to steal the sheep from a previous program, and I'm going to chuck it in here, and I'm going to set every single variable to sheep x minus 10, sheep x minus 10, to something linked to these two floats. So sheep y plus 10, sheep y plus 10, sheep y minus 5, and yes, that's all of them. So now this sheep that is being drawn here is completely connected to this. Now before we actually go and make it spaz out, let's shut this down for a second by commenting it out, and I'm going to give you two integers . And these two integers are going to let you have a look at the sheep first. There we go, it's our ugly sheep. Actually, we can't see that, so let's change the background to 255, 255, 255. And why does that sheep's leg look like that? That's not right. That is, okay, this is why. So we want sheep x minus 5. Sheep x plus 10, sheep y plus 20, sheep y plus 20. Let's have a look if that fixes that sheep's legs. Nope, still very deformed. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. I think I fixed up the sheep's legs. Yes, there we go. All good. So I've now connected all of these to 300 and 200, put everything in relation to sheep x and sheep y to make it look pretty. So you can see the sheep sitting there. Now it's time for the chaos. And there we go, we got a sheep randomly flying around the screen. So that, my friends, is how to program a random flying sheep spazzing out around your canvas. Between the parameters, of course, of 50 and 300 pixels, because this is organized chaos. And of course we're setting it to 15. But let's up that to 30. There we go, that's much more spastic. Let's make it 50. And there we go, we can barely see the sheep because we're getting 50 sheep put randomly every single second. That's giving me a headache. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to get this code from me, just flick me a message or say so in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson on how to make spastic sheep, and I'll see you all next time.